Corsair arguably put RGB keyboards on the map, and now its most premium option yet, the K95 RGB Platinum, takes things to an inevitable extreme with an integrated light bar. Beyond providing 16.8 million color options all over the keyboard, Corsair's flagship peripheral also comes equipped with Cherry's proven speed switches, 8 MB of memory to store profiles and a military-grade aluminum frame. However, all of this elegance comes with matching $199, £179, $349 price tag. It's a tall asking price and, while the K95 RGB Platinum offers many features we love, Corsair's complex software continues to be a stumbling block. At its core, the K95 RGB Platinum shares relatively the same shape, design and aluminum build as its predecessor, but there are key differences. The most apparent change is the fact that the Platinum is much narrower, thanks to cutting the number of macro keys from 18 to a mere 6. Some might not like the reduction, but let's be real, you'll actually be able to reach all the macro keys when you just have a single column of them. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum comes with possibly one of the best wrist rests ever bundled with a keyboard. Made with the same military-grade aluminum as the peripheral itself, the wrist rest offers plenty of support. Meanwhile, a reversible and magnetic rubber pad offers a smooth micro finish on one side and a rougher texture on the other. Unfortunately, this wrist rest also easily attracts dust, crumbs, oils and all manner of detritus, so it requires almost constant cleaning. Corsair's complex software has always been a pain point for us, but it's gotten better over the years. Corsair Utility Engine, CUE, now offers plenty of templates to have colors pulse, wave and rain across the keys. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum really is the Rolls-Royce of gaming keyboards, both in its styling and its $199, £179, $349 price tag. Even though it feels a little less special with only 6 macro keys, no other keyboard matches it with a classy all-metal build quality, handy shortcut buttons or disco lighting. If you can stomach the price and complex software, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum is well worth its premium price.